So, hi dear Capricorn, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is journal. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 30th of September till the 6th of October, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with, along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Okay. Let's see, Cappies, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see what's happening. We have the Five of Cups. So someone is very upset about the way things are going between you and them. See, Five of Cups, Four of Cups. They considered you and this situation as a wish fulfillment, but now they're getting disappointments over disappointments in the situation for some reason, and they're not able to understand the exact reason, to be honest with you. Okay, let me clarify the Five of Cups as their feelings for you. Let's see what's happening. We have the Ace of Pentacles, the Nine of Cups, and the Five of Wands. Yes, this person is feeling like there should be a brand new beginning in this situation. This is kind of a wish fulfillment. So there is some kind of chaos, conflict, or there's some kind of fight or issues going on in the situation right now at this present moment. And it is their wish fulfillment to start fresh with you, with a fresh energy, with a clean slate. But at the same time, they are too upset about whatever happened, and they are not able to understand what they should do in order to have this brand new beginning with you, but they are waiting on you to do something about it. Okay. Okay. Very upset. This person is very upset, and they feel like having a fresh new start with you. This is their wish fulfillment. A lot of drama, a lot of chaos, a lot of conflict is happening. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? Hierophant. So you feel like this person and you have a higher level of commitment, spiritual level of connection with each other, or you feel like you guys should have that kind of commitment, kind of energy, or you guys are simply married to each other and you are not able to let go of this person. Let me clarify the Hierophant. We have the Page of Swords, the Moon card, and the Queen of Cups. Yeah. See, you are watching, you feel like this person and you are having a lot of differences of opinion, differences of emotions. You are scared that you and this person will not be able to make it work out, but at the same time you can't let go of this person out of your system, out of your life, because you feel a higher level of spiritual kind of connection with them. Now you love this person, but you're not able to express that love in words, or you're not able to show that love properly to this person. Okay, so you definitely feel like having a beautiful connection with them, but at the same time you are having a lot of fear also, like it's not working out. Even if I'm trying my best, it's not working out. So you are feeling like keeping yourself at a distance from this situation and trying to understand what you should do in order to get the situation back on track. Something is kind of not working out anymore between you and your person, or the way you guys used to handle things, it's not working out anymore. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Cappies? We have the Devil. This is your card only. Okay, so in your reading, the Devil is not literally devil. Like, yeah, it's a little bit of toxicity in the situation, but in your case, it's your card. So this person wants you. This person wants to communicate with you. This person wants to sort it out with you as much as they can from their side, but they're waiting on you they are waiting on you to do something about it, to sort it out from your side. Their ego and pride is kind of hurt right now. Okay, let me clarify this. Yes, this person definitely want to sort it out with you, but they don't want to take any kind of action from their side. They want to hold on to this energy of being very pride, being in their pride, being in their head, being in their being in this energy of you are the one who is wrong, you are the one to blame here, you are the one who is putting me in this kind of situation, so you are the one who should sort it out. So they definitely want you to sort it out with them and they definitely want you to do everything possible from your side to save this connection, and they definitely want to start this connection all over again from zero. Wow. Let's see, what do you want? They want to hold on to their pride and ego. They want to hold on to this energy of you are the one to blame here. I don't know what happened between you guys. Maybe you are the one to blame here, but they are definitely not in this energy of saying sorry to you or being in forgiveness kind of energy from their side. They're like, you are the one who should sort it out because you are the one who messed it up. You want to take it slow, very, very slow. You want to behave like a mature person, like a safe and secure kind of energy. You definitely want to make the situation work out, but take it really very, very slow. You want to make it work out slowly but steadily. Let me clarify the Knight of Wands. We have the King of Cups, the Ten of Pentacles, the Three of Wands, right? See, you want to make it work out, but not right now. You just want to be in this energy of being emotionally mature person, being emotionally abundant person. So you want to give love and energy and abundance to this particular energy from your side, but you want to wait and watch before you are going to do like all this from your side. You know, you want to take things really very, very slow, or you want to take the action only when you think you should do it. You don't want to do it just for the sake of doing it. So you want to take your time, understand the dynamic of the whole situation, and then you want to move forward in the situation with love and with emotional maturity, but not right now. Not right now. You want to take your time. Okay, let's see what's coming towards it till the 6th of October. What could be the possible outcome? Two of Swords. Okay, there will be this energy of feeling blocked in the situation, not being able to see the clear picture of the future direction of the situation from both the sides, actually. But might be one of you is going to end up blocking the other energy here, and it's going to create a lot of chaos, a lot of conflict between you guys, unnecessary chaos and conflict. High Priestess, that card, King of Swords. Yeah, I do see a blockage in communication. I do see this energy of not talking to each other or having a period of silence or no contact or no communication between you guys, because again you are going to take it really very, very slow, and the more you are going to take it slow, the more this person is getting pissed off. Like, why the hell are you not doing anything about it? Why the hell are you not sorting it out? Why the hell are you not doing this or that? Or so they have a lot of expectations from you, and you're not able to fulfill those expectations, and it's pissing the hell out of them, and it's kind of making the situation go into this no communication, no contact, or blocking each other kind of energy right now at this present moment. Yeah, someone's pride and ego is spoiling this situation very badly. Oh my god. Let's see the guidance for you guys in the situation, Cappies. This person have to choose either you or their ego or pride if they are doing this, or if you are the one who is doing that, you are the one who should choose this like either choose love or ego. You decide. The guidance here is the Queen of Wands, of like Seven of Cups and the Nine of Cups. Now, Capricorn, if you think you have like a lot of fishes in the sea and you will definitely be able to manifest good energies towards you, you will definitely be happy in your life. There's no second thought about about it. Definitely, you will be able to do that. But try to understand the point here. What if you are going to repeat the same cycle again and again and again with all the people, all the energies that's coming forward towards you? What if it's a repetitive cycle that you're not able to break, even if you're trying to break it? For whatever reason, it might be a repetitive cycle in your love and relationship area. Now sit with yourself and write it down. Like in all your love and relationship area, what was the one common factor that was creating these kind of blockages in your relationship area? And work on that. Work on that blockage with all of your heart and soul, and understand that you have to break the pattern, break the chain. It's not about the other person. It's about the repetitive cycle that you are not able to break in order to get the real kind of happiness that you want in your life, right? So there is something repetitive in your energies that needs to be released and healed completely in order to get the kind of wish fulfillment or kind of happiness that you're looking forward to have in your life, that every person deserves. So it's not about the other energy or other person here. It's about the limiting beliefs or the repetitive cycles that you have to break in order to go to that level of happiness. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.